Integration errors on ShipStation can disrupt your shipping process, but they can often be resolved quickly. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix common integration issues. Step 1. Check API credentials. Ensure that your API keys and credentials are correctly entered in ShipStation. Go to the integration settings of the platform you are connecting to and verify that the keys match what is in ShipStation. Step 2. Review connection status. Log into your ShipStation account and check the connection status of the integrated platform. If it shows as disconnected, try reconnecting it by following the prompts to re-establish the link. Step 3. Update software. Make sure that both ShipStation and the integrated platform are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software can often lead to compatibility issues that result in integration errors. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes, browser cache and cookies can cause issues with integrations. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then log back into ShipStation to see if the error persists. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue remains unresolved, reach out to ShipStation support or the support team of the integrated platform. Provide them with specific error messages and details about the integration to expedite the troubleshooting process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on ShipStation quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.